Hey, Mike. All right. Get here. I don't know very nicely. All right. I cleaned out the low-speed jet. It wasn't quite clear. And in setting it up, I found everything was totally out of adjustment. Running very rich. Very rich. It didn't need to run that rich. Go ahead and fire it up. Alright, you say it stumbled. Yeah, let's see. Now, having brought it back into adjustment, idle RPM is just a shade above 700. Vacuum is at 23 and almost a half. My fuel pressure is 3. My dwell is 41 and a half. I'll pull it through one more time here. All right, buddy. No problem here. Thanks.